Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Prompt Flow, the complete guide, episode 3 of 14. You have designed the perfect workflow for your AI application, but a blueprint alone does not process data. You need components that actually execute the work, like fetching URLs, formatting strings, and calling APIs. If flows are the blueprint of your application, tools are the bricks. Today, we are looking at tools. In prompt flow, tools are the fundamental executable building blocks of a flow. Every node in your graph is a tool. When your flow runs, it is simply passing data from one tool to the next. While you can extend the platform, there are 3 built-in tools you will use in almost every project: the Python tool, the prompt tool, and the LLM tool. Let us walk through a practical scenario to see how they fit together. You want an application that fetches a web page, formats the raw text, and generates a summary. First, you need to get the web page content. You use the Python tool. This tool lets you write custom Python scripts and acts as your bridge to the outside world. You write a short script that takes a URL as an input, makes an HTTP request, and returns the raw text of the page. The Python tool handles the execution and passes that raw text down the line as an output. Next, you need to prepare the instructions for the language model. You use the prompt tool. This tool takes text inputs like the raw text from your Python tool and a system prompt to finding the AI persona and formats them into a single clean string. This is the part that matters. The prompt tool does not call an AI model. It strictly prepares and formats text. Separating this step makes your flow much easier to read and test, especially when dealing with complex, multi-part prompts. Finally, you send that prepared string to the model using the LLM tool. This tool handles the actual connection to a large language model endpoint. You pass it the formatted string from your prompt tool, configure the model parameters like temperature, and it returns the generated summary. The LLM tool does the heavy lifting of formatting the API payload and interacting with the provider. While those 3 cover most core use cases, they aren't your only options. PromptFlow supports partner tools provided by third parties. A common example is the VectorDB lookup tool, which searches vector databases for similar text based on embeddings. You can also install custom packages or build your own tools for highly specific integrations. Regardless of their origin, they all operate on the exact same principle. They take inputs, execute a specific function, and return an output. The most important thing to remember is the strict separation of concerns. Do not write Python code to format prompts, and do not use the LLM tool to concatenate strings. Using the right built-in tool for its exact purpose keeps your graphs clean and debuggable. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you picked up something new.